All right, so we have a very interesting product here. This is a super light 2 gaming mouse fast charging dock from Sikai case. So what is very interesting on this one is this is intended for, as you know, actually for like Razer Viper V3 Pro. That's what they claim. Basically, it's a charger slash dock or hub, and I think it has like magnetic desktop charger or something. But we're gonna see. Let's open it up. This is very, very simple packaging right here. It just says, may the energy be with you. Energy port. That's it. At the back, I can barely read anything. It's in Chinese. Let's just open it. By the way, this is under 30 bucks. So, you know, that's why I think it's very interesting. If this works the way it does, I think it might be cool, but we'll see. All right, so we have two magnetic, it's kind of like a USB port or dongle, very, very tiny. Let me open it up. And I think these are USB-C. Yep, well, okay. So one is USB-C, can you guys see? USB-C, can you guys see? And the other one is micro USB. Yep, so here are the two. They're magnetic. I wish it was two USB-C because, you know, I have two USB-C, the mice and stuff, but yeah, whatever. Then, what are these? It's kind of like a sticker or something. Not sure, a label. Yeah, it's just like energyfort.cc. Probably for a label on this one, I don't know, we'll see. But let's put this back here so I don't lose it. And we have a small user manual. Very small and interesting color. It's in purple. And we have product images here. This is how it looks like, and then product specifications. These freaking fonts are freaking tiny. Product name, mouse magnetic charging dock. Okay, all right, very, very interesting name. I digress. Input 5 volts, 1 ampere, output 5 watts max. USB protocol, USB 2.0, material, PCS labs, blah, blah, blah. Product instructions right here. There are, so I like the fact that they have, even though it's tiny, they have images and description. That's appreciated. So connect the Type-C braided cable for the power supply. Okay, so, well, there are two braided cables. I'm guessing this one because it's for the power supply and, you know, we need it longer. So it's a braided cable. Oh, it's pretty long ass USB-C cable. So I like that. That's pretty good. One USB-C on one end and the other USB-A. Ooh, there's more. I don't know how many in feet this is or in meters. Definitely more than 1 meter. Anyways, that's that. And then we have this small USB-C male on one end and USB-C, well, it's the magnetic one. So this reminds me of the that MacBook Pro magnetic charging. I forgot the name. What is that? Yeah, MagSafe charger or something on that MacBook Pro. But this one isn't, you know, just tiny. The MagSafe is like probably 3 times the size of this. Anyways, let's get to the main part. I must say I was actually expecting it to be a little bigger, but this is actually pretty small. So this is not on the way. It was not intrusive really. So that's pretty good. Okay, so at the back, this is the back right here. We have the USB-C. This is where you're going to be connecting this USB-C cable for the power. Oh, okay. So you can actually clip it, but I don't think you can clip it on a desk. And they're like this desk. Probably like those, what do you call it? It's like a standing, I forgot the name. Anyways, I digress. I have that metal one from Artifox. But at the front, we have 4 ports actually. We have 2 USB-A right here, USB-A ports on the sides. In the middle, 1 USB-C, and there's one way inside. I don't know why it's deep, but I will have to check why that is. But again, this is a mouse dock, charger dock, fast charger dock. Yes, so I have 2 mice right there, 1 Logitech and 1 Fnatic X, Maya, 8K Maya. Anyways, so I'm gonna plug both of them in here. Although the receiver, we'll see. Before we do that, we can probably test it out here on this computer, and then we're gonna go to my gaming computer workstation. I'll be right back. I need some mice. All right, so I have the Logitech MS3 right here, MX Master 3 right here, and I have, you know, the dongle. I have plugged it in. Let me just remove this. The problem is this is a bit hard to remove now. Well, I want to show you guys. So this is the USB-C, because this one is USB-C Master 3. So we're plugging it into or onto the mouse charger right here, and then so that's the reason why there's this deep hole here for the USB-C. We're plugging this MagSafe type of USB-C cable right here for charging, and then plugging in the USB-A dongle, the receiver for the Logitech Master 3 right here. And then at the back for the power, which is the USB-C cable going to the computer. So at this time, on my MacBook Pro for now, and so, yeah, right away, gets detected pretty good. Just gets detected. This one goes to the MacBook right away, which is pretty cool. I wonder though if there are any lag on this one, especially when I have to plug this in if I want to play competitive, but we're gonna try to see in a bit. But this is pretty cool, by the way. Oh, also, yeah, I was checking on it. So this clip is intended for the Mousepad. Now, what I'm wondering is if we're gonna plug it like that, right? And then if this is the Mousepad, I don't know how sturdy your Mousepad is, because if you're gonna pull this out, it might lift the Mousepad, or like, you know, it might fold the Mousepad. Because like, that's pretty strong, look. Oh, you even removed the freaking USB-C plug. So I guess you can wiggle it. Yep, you can wiggle it to the side. Okay, I guess that's how you do it. But this is pretty cool. Especially I have the My 8K gaming mouse. That runs out of battery every few days, especially when you're playing a lot. You're putting it at 2K, 8K pull. But this is pretty cool. I like that. And yeah, automatic charging, pretty easy. Just like remove it right away. And yeah, the manual says you can also put the keyboard right here if you like. If you have a wireless keyboard, which I do. But then again, will that add more lag time? But we're gonna see. All right, so let's go to the gaming computer. I'm gonna test it out for a little bit. I don't know, some B-rolls and stuff, and then I'll get back here. I'll see you. Alright, so I've just spent a few hours playing around, playing Dota and all that, using this mice charger dock. And I didn't really see any visible latency or lag, although I think there is, because, you know, it's connected through here, and from here I connect this dock to my KVM switch, and then from the KVM switch to the computer, right? So it's not really connected directly, the mouse, to the PC. So obviously there's going to be slight millisecond delay there and stuff, but I didn't notice it myself. I was playing around, so that's pretty good. I like that. Although I noticed when you connect this one, when it was charging, well, it detects it as a USB connection, obviously, of course. So just make sure, you know, your PC is optimized for that and all that. Sometimes it can interrupt the game. Well, I did before, but now it's, you know, I don't have a problem. I have a 9800X 3D CPU. Anyways, I digress. And this clip actually is not too bad, actually. I was kind of worried that he's gonna just, you know, pull it out. But what you actually gonna do is you wiggle it to the side, move it to the side instead of pulling it back. Because if you pull it back, you know, the magnet is very strong, like in line or directly, that it can't even pull out the USB-C out. Oh, which, speaking of that, I wasn't reading about this earlier. These are the magnetic tips ejection tabs. So basically what you want, you have two orientation, from the bottom or from the side. So let's try the one from the side. Basically, you put this here, and so when you pull it up, because sometimes this is a pain in the ass too, actually, you know, if you want to use this to another mouse or something. So this one is what you need to pull it out, although, you know, it's gonna fly out, so just be careful. But basically that is the idea. Let's put it back up, and then the other one is basically a bottom orientation, you know, at the bottom. But this one, I think I prefer it on the side, so it's not going to be in the way. Especially this one is really, really light. So when I move around and stuff, I don't want, you know, this ejection tab to be on the way when you're playing and stuff. All right, so minor con, well, not really a con actually, to be honest with you. I just wish that they included 2 USB-Cs instead of 1 micro USB, but it's not really a con, it's just for my situation. But the good thing is they have that accessory. You can actually buy this USB-C dongle. It's a magnetic connector. It's for around $7.99 or $8. I'll put the links down below for all these ones, including the connector if you need more. Especially me, I have more than one, so that will be good. So basically I like it so far, and what I didn't notice or I forgot to check, when I was using this one, you can actually press this lightning, or not press, like tap the lightning logo right here, and it will change the RGB lighting. So that is pretty cool. So overall, for 30 bucks, this is really nice. I like the fact that you can put the keyboard. I have my Logitech mouse right here, and well, for this one I wanted it to be really I wanted to lessen the latency and stuff when I was playing, but I was connecting it first here, and then I tried it on the KVM switch, and I didn't really see much latency, so that was pretty good even when I was using the Logitech. And then oh yeah, before I forget, you can also transfer data here, so you can put the USB flash drive or something, and you can copy, but it's only USB 2.0, so don't get your hopes high of fast file transfer or something. All right, so yeah, I think I really like this one. This is a really good product. Hopefully it's durable, and I'm gonna be using this a lot, and then we'll test it more maybe on another video, because I was just doing a basic test. Obviously I can't really tell the latency with just like playing around and stuff, and I'm not a pro player. But that's it for this video, and don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. I have a few more reviews.